Hello everyone, this is Ulka here. Welcome back to my channel. This is Makeup Planet Swati. Before getting into the video, please make sure that you are like, share and subscribing to my channel, as well as pressing the bell icon. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Today's video is going to be about PAC Cosmetics. PAC Cosmetics is a professional makeup as well as brushes brand. So I was currently using one of their concealer brush. So I thought of investing in their full brush set. So today I'm going to review their synthetic brush set. The packaging looks like this, and behind there is some information about their brush set as well as hot seller products. There are 4 products in total. One is their solid brush cleanser, which is a soap which comes in a soap form. Other is the PAC instant brush cleaner, which is in a spray form, which can instantly clean out your brushes. And the third one is the express brush cleaner. It is actually like a sponge where you can swirl your brushes and it will instantly clean it. And lastly, they have shown their brush holder where you can stack all your brushes. So when I open this box, there is a safety flap here, and inside there is this case, brush case. It's a leather pouch, as you can see. And there is a inbuilt logo on it. And the behind is full plain. Then there's a pouch where you open it. So this is how the brushes look. There are total 25 brushes in this, and there is a safety flap here also, where after using the brushes you can again put this flap down, or if you don't need it, you can put it behind, as you can see here. Today to create this look here, as you can see, I have used these 2 brushes. One is a fluffy powder brush. It's a versatile brush, as you can set your powder with it, use your powder foundation with it, as well as apply blush, anything. It's just versatile. I just love this product. Next is this brush, which is a bit smaller than the before brush. This I have used today to apply contour on my hollows of the cheek and everywhere. This also you can use to apply blush and highlight as well. You can use it in various ways. These are the 2 brushes. This range doesn't have any number on it, only PAC is written. But the brush that I had used before had number on it as well as PAC written. Now I'm going to start reviewing the product and sorting the brushes, as there are so many brushes with same purpose. So in front of the camera today I'm going to sort out the brushes and show you. So firstly you're getting a small dome shaped blending brush you're getting 2 of them, and these are best for them who are having smaller crease as well as smaller outer corners. And then you're getting a big fluffier blending brushes. Next, moving on to face brushes, you're getting 3 of them. One is a powder brush and 2 of them are small fluffier brushes for all purpose. Then you're getting an angled contour brush. This you can use it for cream contour as well as powder contouring. It's a multi-purpose brush as well. Then you're getting again face brushes. This is a flat foundation brush, then a flat top kabuki brush, and then again a flat top brush for your foundation as well as concealer. Then you're getting 3 angled brushes which are for brows as well as drawing a winged eyeliner, again multi-purpose. Then you'll be getting flat concealer brushes. The first one you can use it as a lip brush as well. These are best for concealing cut crease and all that. Then you're getting a flat shader brushes. These are best for packing eyeshadows. And again multi-purpose brushes, and they are very fluffy. The last one is very fluffy. As you can see, you can apply loose pigments as well with them. Then you're getting 2 eyebrow grooming brushes, then thin eyeliner brushes for precise eyeliner. Then lastly you're getting 2 concealer brushes which are fluffy. One is a fluffy one and other is a flat one. I love how PAC has made these brushes very thoughtfully, like a multi-purpose set, because sometimes you know what happens, my brushes remain dampened the next day also, and I have back-to-back shoots. So this is the best set for me, as one is dampened I can take another with me. I hope you guys enjoyed my today's brush review of PAC synthetic brush series, and if you did, please make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, as well as comment down below what you want to see next, because I read all you guys comments and I make videos according to that. Also make sure you ring the bell icon so you'll get notified.